The university is located in the heart of Toronto, Canada, the fourth largest city in North America. Here, students can connect with leaders in culture, business, healthcare, or government because opportunity lives at our front door. Welcome to the workshop at the Department of Architectural Science. This is the north entrance to the building from Church Street. These are the two entrances from the south. We are a specialized space geared to the students and faculty within the department. We help create works ranging from miniature architectural models to full-scale constructions. The workshop is available to any full-time student enrolled in courses in the Bachelor of Architectural Science, Master of Architecture, Master of Building Science, and Master of Applied Sciences programs. Access is exclusive to activities including regular coursework, faculty CRC, and approved extracurricular projects. Hello and welcome to the Materials Store at the Department of Architectural Science. The store is a unique resource to any architecture school and is truly a privilege to students who have difficulty procuring materials for their projects. We purchase materials in bulk and at wholesale prices, making our store one of the cheaper options to find supplies for any model making project. The Materials Store serves a variety of functions to the workshop and labs at the department. As the primary source for student materials, the store and its staff assist in the selection and processes of any model-making exercise. This manifests in providing detailed products lists with pricing, various material samples, pre-cut material options, readily available measurement tools, and the opportunity for regular consultations. At the Materials Store, students also have the ability to purchase and book time on digital fabrication equipment, sign up for workshop or lab tutorials and demonstrations, or sign out tools and equipment. For a full list of products offered at the store, please refer to the department website. The Materials Store processes transactions through Ryerson One cards only. No other form of payment are accepted. Cash and credit can be loaded onto your account via one-card loading stations throughout the university or online at the following website. All digital fabrication schedules can be found at the department website. Welcome to the Digital Fabrication Lab at the Department of Architectural Science. The lab is equipped with an advanced collection of tools and technologies to physically output digital design. These include various laser cutting systems, 3D printers, and vacuum forming. The lab supports endeavors in the range of three-dimensional design, scale model making, and rapid prototyping. The lab features 4 laser cutters, 2 65-watt Boss laser systems, and 2 60-watt universal laser systems. At a nominal cost of $20 an hour, students have the ability to book time slots to secure their use of the machines. A variety of pre-cut material options are available to students, making it easy to find the stock needed for the particular machine that you are using. The lab currently has 4 3D printers, 2 Ultimaker 3 extended printers, 1 Formlabs Form 2 SLA printer, and 1 Persa i3 FDM printer, at a cost of 20 cents per gram for FDM printing and at a cost of 40 cents per gram for SLA formats. The lab is also equipped with a vacuum former, which enables students to form three-dimensional geometries using thermoplastic materials, The material store supplies a variety of pre-cut sheets specifically for the vacuum former, coming in different sizes and material options. These options include Vivac, PETG, polystyrene, acrylic, Sintra, and polycarbonate. Students may find resources such as templates, tutorials, schedules, and price lists at the following link. The traditional wood shop is available for all students to use from first year all the way up to master's. Due to the nature of the work done in the wood shop, for example, working and operating machinery with your hands, safety is a critical part. Eye and ear protection must be worn at all times while in the traditional wood shop, even if you are not working on a machine in that exact moment. The traditional wood shop is the most versatile fabrication facility available in the shop. Before using any machine, please remember to turn on the respective dust collector. There are two main dust collectors. Identify the dust collector that is connected to the machine you are using and turn it on. Respirators are optional for students and can be provided if requested. After completing your machining process, turn off the dust collector unless someone else is using a machine that is connected to the same dust collector. The jointer and planer are connected to a standalone dust collector. Students are expected to clean up after themselves, for example, picking up any offcuts and disposing of them in the garbage bins, as well as sweeping dust off machines in the area around the machine. Please remember to respect the space, treat the machines with care, never use excessive force, and if you are unsure about something, always ask a shop technician for help or advice before proceeding. The 3-axis CNC and 6-axis robots are an extension of the Digital Fabrication Lab. These two machines fall under the digital fabrication category due to the fact that they are programmed and operated using a computer. The 3-axis CNC machine is used for removing material from a piece of stock in order to achieve the desired geometry. This is done by mounting a high-speed spindle that holds a tool or end mill to a gantry. This is why the CNC machine is classified as a 3-axis machine, due to the range of motion it is able to achieve in the X, Y, and Z planes. The 6-axis robot is an extremely versatile tool that has much greater range of motion than the CNC and is able to achieve 3 linear motions X, Y, Z like the CNC, as well as 3 rotational motions A, B, C, placing it in the 6-axis category. Almost anything can be mounted to the end of the robot. The only limiting factor is the student's imagination. The benchroom is the final step to completing your project, and most of the assembly takes place here. Students are expected to keep their area clean while working and to be courteous of other students so as to not take up too much space. All the hand tools can be found in this space, and they include rulers, screwdrivers, chisels, clamps, among many others. Various types of glue and hardware are also available for the students to use free of cost. After completing your project, students will return all the tools they have used to their respective locations and will clean up after themselves. This space in ARC 124 serves primarily for the day-to-day research activities of Master of Building Science and PhD research projects, as well as the training space for graduate and undergraduate level programs in the use of field testing equipment. Both new and existing buildings often need to have assemblies or components on their enclosure tested, and our lab is equipped with instrumentation that industry typically uses, staffed by people on the cutting edge of enclosure testing. Ryerson University is unique amongst Canadian universities in that it has the full complement of field testing equipment for new construction and existing building performance, diagnostics, and forensic testing. Our new technology ranges from infrared thermography, window testing equipment, big building air tightness testing, micro air leakage testing, fogging, and water testing, among others. The lab has a spray wall testing apparatus for elucidation of how water gets into and out of building enclosures or water shedding surfaces. Bring your student ID and you can check equipment out. Drop in with your technical questions and say hi. This is your space. Use it.